Welcome students. In the last class we have learned how to do the synthetic division and how to do the linear division. The next concept that you are going to learn under this polynomials is finding out the value of the polynomial. To find the value of a polynomial for any given value of the variable, you have to put the value of in place of the variable, whatever value is given, that value has to be substituted and you have to find out what is the value of the polynomial. So here whenever you are finding out the value of the polynomial, we'll represent the given polynomial either by p of x, p of y, p of m. So like this we'll represent the polynomial, then substitute whatever value is given in place of the variable and go on simplifying it and you get the value of the polynomial. So now here we'll see how to find out the value of the polynomial in practice set 3.4. So in practice set 3.4, so they're given the first problem they're given is practice set 3.4. The first problem that is given is for x is equal to 0, find the value of the polynomial x square minus 5x plus 5. So this is a given polynomial. You have to find out the value of this polynomial when the value of x is equal to 0. So here name is the polynomial is not named. So let us consider, let p of x be equal to x square minus 5x plus 5. Just give a name to the polynomial p of x or q of x or p of y. Whatever is the variable, according to that you have to give the name. Usually we represent it by p or q, or these are the terms that we are going to represent. So here when x is equal to 0, they have asked you to find out the value of the polynomial. So what you have to do is wherever you have got x, replace it by 0. So you're going to put the value of x is equal to 0. So what you get here is p of 0 is equal to 0 square minus 5x 5 into 0 plus 5. So here you get 0 minus 0 plus 5. So you get the value of the polynomial when x is equal to 0 is equal to 5. Only this much you have to do. Now the second problem they have given, p of y is equal to y square minus 3 root 2 into y plus 1. So you have to find out the value of the polynomial, that is p is 3 root 2. Find the value of the polynomial when y is equal to 3 root 2. So they have already named it, so directly you can substitute the value of y as 3 root 2. So you are going to put y is equal to 3 root 2. So what you get, p of 3 root 2 is equal to, in place of y you are writing 3 root 2 whole square minus 3 root 2 into 3 root 2. This is 3 root 2 is written as it is. Y value is again 3 root 2, so write it as it is. Last term is 1. Now this is 3 root 2 whole square, and this is same term repeated twice, which can be written as 3 root 2 whole square plus 1. So this plus and minus gets cancelled, so you get the value of the polynomial p of 3 root 2 is equal to 1. So this is how you find out the value of the polynomial. Now the third problem they have told, they have given the value of the polynomial with two values and you have to find out what is the value of the polynomial. So here they have given, if p of m is equal to m cube plus 2m square minus m plus 10, then what they have asked you to find out here is p of a plus p of minus a is equal to the value you have to find out. So first what you have to do is substitute in place of m as a, then substitute in place of m as minus a and add both of it and find out what is the. So first we will put value of m is equal to a. So you get p of a is equal to a cube plus 2a square minus a plus 10. So you get this as a cube minus plus 2a square minus a plus 10. Now we will substitute m is equal to minus a. So you get p of minus a is equal to minus a cube plus 2 into minus a square minus of minus a plus 10. That is, in this expression, wherever you have got m, you have replaced it by minus a. So minus, when you cube it, you will get it as minus a cube. This, when you square it, you will get with the positive sign itself. So you will get this as plus 2a square. This minus into minus, you will get it as plus a and plus 10. So now you have to find out p of a plus p of minus a. P of a is a cube plus 2a square minus a plus 10. So this is p of a plus, and p of minus a is minus a cube plus 2a square plus a plus 10. Now you will open the bracket and simplify. You get a cube plus 2a square minus a plus 10, and you open the bracket, you will get minus a cube plus 2a square plus a plus 10. This 2 gets cancelled, minus a and plus a gets cancelled. 2a square plus 2a square is equal to 4a square plus 10 will be equal to plus 20. So this is how you find out the value of the polynomial.